Alright guys, what do? It's your boy X coming to you guys with another video. And at long last, the wait is over. It's time for the house tour. Yes, I know. Talk about this house tour for a little minute. But it's time. No more to talk about it. We're gonna be about it. We're gonna show you the home today. And I do want to say I'm very, very proud of how the house turned out, because I pretty much did all the work except the bathroom. I did it all myself, except the bathroom. I can, but even in the bathroom, I did the toilet, I did the counter, well, the vanity, I did all that. I just didn't do the tub and the shower. The rest of it was me. Tub, shower, and the floors. The rest of, well, the tile. The rest of it was me, people. Because the work don't stop, the grind don't stop. So for all of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe. I appreciate it. This has been a lot of work in the making. Bought this house last year, August, and I thought I was gonna be able to get done a lot faster than what I did, but it be like that sometimes. So let's get straight to this home tour. Hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now. Alright guys, so this is the house before the updates. This is when we just moved in like 2 days ago. I got this in the video. You can look at it on my channel if you want to, but this is what it looked like. Brown, 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 brown. As you can see, very brown. Laundry room, brown. It was ugh. Not my forte. And this is the house now. As you can see, I redid the floors. Take out all that brown, cause we ain't with that brown no more. Pretty much converted that bar stave thing, just knocked the back of it off with a sludge hammer, laid it down, made that into an island, repainted them cabinets. You know what I'm saying? My dark charcoal is grayish. Placed them countertops, put in the black sink, gold accents. I'm really feeling it. Replaced all them door handles with some genuine modern black handles. I did not paint the inside of that cabinet. I did not paint the inside of that pantry. I ain't got time for all that. But I did paint that laundry room white to get rid of the brown. I don't know what was the deal with brown in the past, but I wasn't vibing with it. Yeah, so as you can see, this accent wall. I'm a big fan of accent walls. I love them. I have no idea what we're gonna put there, because you know this house is bigger than anything I ever had before. But I just like accent walls. And this is what the living room used to look like. You know what I'm saying? Again, sky blue and brown tile over it's a lot of brown. It's a lot of, see how you got that accent wall again, more white, and we redid the fireplace. Now I know what you're thinking. Ooh, that looking nice. This peel and stick for the low. You hear me? Making that thing looking mad nice for the cheap. You know, I ain't got money like that, but it look nice. You hear me? But as you can see, we got the accent wall, the TV. Got to have cameras on deck. Just got to. I can't sleep without cameras. But as you can see, a complete 180. Complete 180. It actually looked like a house now instead of just a brown shoebox. But it's coming together. We have no idea what type of furniture we're going to get. I like the furniture we got. I want to get no more. And we revert back to the master bedroom when we first got it. This is when we had already started painting. We haven't shaved the ceilings yet. As you can see, it's just a mess in here with paint. We were in the process of shaving stuff, and you can see this awful carpet I bought this house with, just the dirtiest thing I ever seen. And now you come in like, ooh, you hear me? This part of the video, I want to point these door stoppers out. I guess they're like new, up to date, modern door stoppers that have a little thing at the bottom to make their weird sound. These things pretty nice. Amazon, pretty cheap. It just stick to the wall. But this is the room now. Like I said, you got to put cameras in every room so you can always see people. But the bed, the floors, up to date color. We ain't got no more of that nasty carpet. It just made the room look nice, more slick, more everything better. And then we come to the place that literally spent all my money.
Oh, like that!
The bathroom. And this is pretty much how the bathroom looked before. Again, for some reason, they chose to go green tea green on top of brown. I have no idea what that's about at all. It's like, why? Like literally, why? Like, what vibe was you going for back in the day? I guess they wasn't on vibes back then. I have no idea, but we on vibes now, and that ain't it. That ain't it. That ain't it. All right, so this is the closet. Pretty much, again, teal green, carpet, very dirty. We just threw everything in there. And now you have the up-to-date bathroom, which I think is busting. As you see, we went white because it just makes it look more cleaner, more nicer. Same color cabinets as the kitchen, same accent. Got the little bowls for the sinks with the little water faucet thing. And the reason I'm telling you that, not the flex. There's nothing of the sort. They're way cheaper than actual, like an actual sink for that size vanity. Like $1,000. Those bowls, Amazon, $60. And the faucet was like 40. Come on now. Easy idea, no brainer there. We ain't got money like that. Stop playing with it. Yeah, just pretty much slick. Yeah, every light you see is a moonlight. Amazon, hot 20. But this is about the new tub and the new shower, which cost me a decent penny. Not even going to cap. Vast majority of the budget went to this, and the reason we had to update it, there was a water leakage from the jacuzzi to that shower, where the water was seeping in under, and it had like a little water air pocket. Had to replace that. This is the shower. I said the shower. This is pretty much the closet. I just pretty much put some new floor down, painted it white, look more nice, slick, modern. But yeah, this is the bathroom, people. This is where I spent most of my money. Now I'm gonna cap with you. And this is my MTV crib fast rewind mode because I just thought it'd be funny. But this is the other side of the house and the other bathroom before we did a little something in here. Yeah, pretty much default 7 up in this joint. Again, sky blue, brown cabinets. I don't know. And that's my son being my son. And this is how it looks now, people. Again, white. Put the trim around the mirror. Same cabinet colors. Same accents. Same faucet. Same bowl. Look at the water. Flow. And pretty much all I did with him is put some vinyl tile inside that bathroom. And that entire bathroom I did that had been less than $100. Pretty slick. This is my wife's room. When we first moved in, of course, this godforsaken carpet and these sky blue walls. Again, we were not fans of it. Still not fans of it. Like I said, it is what it is. I don't know what they were going for back in the day. We weren't vibing with it. And pretty much, we just had to shave the ceilings in there. Took some time. They're even bigger. No, what's harder than shaving those ceilings? Dragging that carpet at the house. Truthfully. Jesus. And this is my wife's room now. No, put her some floors in. We got her little accent wall too. Little TV in there. She likes flowers and plants and all types of paint. All types of paint. Very artsy she is. It ain't for me. I suck at art. But that's her room. Got it squared away. The door stoppers hidden different. And here's my son's room. This guy. Pretty much, again, painted heels white. Slapped the floor down. We didn't do an accent wall in his room because we just gonna slap it with Paw Patrol stickers. And this is me cutting off the light because I ain't got it. Before we head up these steps. Yeah, this is what the steps look like prior. Mad gross, mad nasty. Not to play. Yeah. But upstairs is pretty much my room. We got head of baby gate. We do not trust my boy on the steps. He might try to off himself. We don't want that. The steps came out pretty nice. It took me a minute, but YouTube University coming through clutch. I did all this myself. Just want to point that out again. You know what I'm saying? Where's my degree, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? I like to hang it up in my room. But yeah, as you come up to where the magic happens, you hear me? Where the magic happens. Go ahead. Of course, this is what it looked like before when I was in the process of shaving the ceilings. It was yes, I did use my YouTube ring light because the lighting in the jump was mad terrible because they had warm light bulbs. Don't know why people bought warm light bulbs back then, but again, not for me. I like brightness. Warm just scream like serial killer vibes. I don't know why. To me, a yellow light just doesn't vibe well. But this is what it looked like now, people. You know, redid the floors, got the hot IKEA couch, you know what I'm saying? Hot 700. It pulls out, big sleeps. Um, yeah, that's pretty much my setup there. We are a smash household. I will most definitely run you those fades. Not even gonna cap with you. Again, gotta keep the cameras there where I can see. And yeah, this is just my area where I be vibing. No, I did the little cloud thing with the lightning. I probably post a picture so people can see it because I mean it was daytime. I couldn't do nothing about that. But yeah, man, just the computer setup, much needed, much desired. Pretty much where I spend. I don't know. I want to cap like 95% of my day if I'm at home. That's where I'm at. Truthfully, yes, I am a big anime fan. Gundam Exia is the GOAT. That is why I call myself Exia. And yeah, this is just my One Piece mangas. I got all the box sets. We're waiting for box set 5. It be like that. Took me a hot second to get my hands on all those. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. This is it, people. No, just One Piece, Gundams, computers, YouTube happening in this area. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Not gonna cap. The first time I fully have done this much to the house ever in my life. Like I said, really stepped out my comfort zone here. There's Whitebeard. The GOAT. Just to let you know, just in case you didn't see him. But yes. And this is the closet. I pretty much did the same thing. Again, moonlight, the floors, painted, looked like a whole nother room. Just it's amazing what some paint and the $20 moonlight can do for you to get you some actual lighting. But yes, that is the home tour. And it literally took me 6 months to do this. So that was the home tour. I really hope you guys liked it. But if you didn't, that's crazy because I like it and it's really all that matters. So
it is what it is. It is what it is.
Sucks to be you. But I really did enjoy how the house turned out. Turned out pretty amazing to me. I do want to just say for everybody who watched, I appreciate, like I said, subscribe and most definitely like the video. But to the people out there who are maybe getting to that point or already at that point or just wonder even if it's possible for you, I am an average guy. I do not make money from YouTube. I don't. So I want you to think I deal with YouTube money. Nothing like that. I get up every day and I work. When I say work, I mean work. Like I said, I work at the post office. If you ain't seen it, if you don't believe me, check out CNBC, Millennium Money. I'm on there, telling my story. I'm just an average guy. And everything that you saw in that video, believe it or not, I learned it from YouTube. So YouTube really should give me like a YouTube certified degree because I really be using YouTube for everything I've been doing. Everything. So if I can do it, I promise you can. May take a little work, may be tired, but it's worth it. So never count yourself short. Most definitely try, and always remember, the work don't stop, the grind don't stop. But that's all I got to say. Hope you guys enjoyed the house. Appreciate you guys for waiting. It took longer than what I thought, but more content coming, guys. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna become a millionaire. I promise. Come with me. But it's your boy Exia, and I'm out.